Welcome, here I've got Amazon fake Samsung and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are on standard photo mode. Now let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button so we can open more advanced camera settings here. Let's stay from the left on the general category, and at the first position we have GPS location info option, so our location tags, they allow us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.